my second part of my boxing and unboxing. So still I have created a placeholder, and I have mentioned the text box 1 and another is text box 2. I want to take another control, that is the hyperlink, and I want on a click of a button that placeholder should clear all the values. So this is the button 3, and I'm placing this button 3 out of placeholder, right? So I want, as I told you, that my goal or aim is that I want to clear all the values which are situated in your placeholder, right? So how I can do this? Just take in a for each loop. I'm taking the control class CTR in placeholder1 dot controls, right? So it will iterate from in each and every controls. So I'm taking, if CTR is text box, if it is text box, then I'm gonna create a text box object, TV equals to CTR or text box CTR, right? And tv.text equals to empty value, and I can mention another control like hyperlink. If it is hyperlink, then you can store, sorry, this is a hyperlink, so mention hyperlink hy equals to hyperlink is a, this is the unboxing, right? CTR, right? So hy.text equals to empty. If I click on button, that is button 3, then it will clear all the values of placeholder. Okay, so I'm writing some here named like Khan, Chan, Matthew, and this is the hyperlink, and if I click on this button, then all the values will be invisible. So still I have created a tab is a place for boxing and unboxing. So I think this video is very useful for you. Thanks for watching.